When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes with me, Chef Shona.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare chickpeas coconut fry. When we don't have any vegetables in our house, this is the right choice to prepare. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a pan, add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add cumin seeds, chopped ginger and turmeric powder. Give a quick mix. Now add finely chopped green chilies, peanuts, now add green peas, finely chopped onions and give a good mix. Now add soaked and boiled 1 cup of chickpeas into this. Stir it once. Now add required amount of salt, red chili powder, coriander powder. Combine everything. Now it's time to add finely chopped spring onions, finely chopped coriander and dry coconut powder. Combine everything. Switch off the flame and transfer this into a serving bowl. That's all, chickpeas coconut fry curry was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare mini sweet potato donuts. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shona Recipes and click on the bell icon.